What happens after a theft charge in criminal court? Imagine being called into court after being accused of taking something that isn't yours. What's the next step in the process? Let's walk through what happens after a theft charge is filed. First, the defendant will go to an arraignment. This is the initial court appearance where the charges are read aloud. The defendant then enters a plea, which can be guilty, not guilty, or no contest. If they plead guilty or no contest, the case might move directly to sentencing. But if they plead not guilty, the case continues to the next stage. After arraignment, the case enters a pretrial phase. During this time, the defense attorney and the prosecutor may discuss a plea deal. A plea deal is an agreement where the defendant agrees to plead guilty to a lesser charge or accept a lighter sentence. If no agreement is reached, the case proceeds to trial. At trial, the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant committed theft. This includes showing that they intentionally took property belonging to someone else with the aim of permanently depriving the owner of it. The evidence might include police reports, surveillance footage, or witness testimony. A criminal defense attorney plays a vital role here. They review all evidence, look for weaknesses, and may challenge the legality of how evidence was obtained. They also interview witnesses and look for any facts that could help the defendant. Common defenses in theft cases include showing the defendant believed they had permission to take the property, lacked intent to permanently deprive, or thought they owned the item. Sometimes, the defendant might have taken the property by mistake or was coerced. If the defense raises enough doubt about the prosecution's case, the judge or jury might find the defendant not guilty and dismiss the charges. But if the defendant is convicted, the punishment depends on the value of the stolen property and their criminal history. Penalties can range from fines and community service for smaller thefts to prison time for more serious cases. After a theft charge, the main goal is to ensure the defendant's rights are protected. The defense works to challenge evidence and seek the best possible outcome, whether that's reducing charges or dismissing the case altogether. Having a skilled lawyer by your side can make a big difference in navigating this process.